Is RC4 food better than army food? Hi, I'm Tiffany. I'm a year 1 business admin student and I'm from Nokta.
I'm Karthik and I'm also from Nokta and I study computer engineering. Okay. So what events are there in RC4? So RC4 has lots and lots of events. So one of the most memorable events for me would be formal dinner, and we had 2 informal dinners so far. So these are like some of the RC4 events. But in Nokta itself also we have a few like house events. Like we have this thing called Angel and Mortal where we just give good gifts to each other and like make everyone happy. So we also have inter-house games, and then there's also inter-college games where the different RCs come together and we compete together. And actually the inter-college games are going on right now as I speak.
Yeah, I don't play sports, so yeah, I'm not in any ICG. Okay, I'm not in like any of the like performance stuff, but like I try to join committees or like RC4 got like baking and we have like RC4 cooking clubs. I think this week's session is to make pistachio cookies.
Okay, if I am currently serving NS, am I still allowed to apply? Personally, I waited till I finished my NS before I applied for RC4, but I already applied before NS that I'm gonna come to NUS, and I already decided beforehand like I want to join RC4 because I had a few friends here and they really seemed to have a good time, so I also want to be part of RC4. What is the difference between halls and RCs?
Okay, for me, right, I think if you stay in halls, the like guaranteed residency period is like 1 year, but then for RC it's 2 years. And then to stay in hall, you have to continue doing like CCAs, like you have to earn points, I think. Yeah. But then for RC, it's like you do mods to continuously. For all these classes, right, actually they're very convenient because they're just downstairs, so like in the same building. So if your classes is like, if you're always late for your classes or like you're not a morning person, then your classes are like just downstairs, so it's like very easy for you.
Actually, Tiffany, what's your SS about?
Oh, okay. So my SS, right, is like undefeated mind, and I love it so much. Okay, so if like you got chance to go for SS, right, then you should bid for undefeated mind because it's about like controlling your mind and like sort of like practicing mindfulness lah. Okay. So if like you like yoga or like practicing meditation, I think it's something you can explore.
What modules are offered at RC4? So I think we kind of covered this before, but personally, I took a junior seminar last semester, and it was called Markets and Inequalities. So I learned about how, as the name suggests, markets and inequalities, like how markets can cause maybe disparity between different income groups. And like we use a software called Vensim to understand better using numbers how this can affect. And it was one of the more interesting mods that I took last semester. And like Tiffany mentioned, it was right below my doorstep. So I just wake up, go for lesson, and I'll go back. Where is RC4 in NUS? So RC4, the nearest MRT to me is Buona Vista. So I'll normally get down at Buona Vista, and I'll take 196, and about 5 stops later I'm at U-Town. And the best thing is RC4 is right beside the bus stop. So if I have carrying a lot of things, it's right beside the bus stop. In RC4 is in general just in University Town, and we have our own bus which connects to all the rest of NUS. So there's no worry about it being inaccessible because it really isn't.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Is RC4 the best residential college? Of course lah, I think in my opinion it's the best. Then it was like the one with the best culture, I felt.
RC4 is my favourite because I really enjoy the culture here. I feel like I have lots of friends who like I can depend on when I need help, and I have lots of facilities here to use. And I feel like the culture here, the support here is really amazing. And yeah, I'm free to be who I am, and like no one's judged for anything. I think that's the best part of RC4.
Yeah. Is RC4 pet friendly? RC4 is not pet friendly, so you cannot have like cats and dogs in your rooms. But then in U-Town, there are like 2 U-Town cats. So if you like cats or like you like animals in general, I think you can like go around and go around Newtown and then you can like take a look at them. I don't think you can feed them though, cause like you have to sign up a roster, like or like sign up as a volunteer with like a certain club to actually like be part of the feeders. Like, and then there's also like Newtown chickens.
Yeah.
Okay.
I learned in Newtown that roosters can climb trees.
Oh yeah, they can fly.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Okay.
Okay, next question. Why did you choose RC4?
Friends stay here. Then, based on their experiences, I heard like it's very fun and very friendly environment. That's why like I chose to stay at RC4.
Same for me. I also had a friend who stayed in RC4 before, and like I could see that she really had like a very close group of friends who really cared for her, and like she also could care for them very well. And she told me that like everybody in RC4 is very supportive of each other. So that was like the main reason why I joined RC4. Like it really seems like a nice culture, and I'm not wrong, it really is a nice culture.
Is RC4 food better than army food?
Okay, this one I can answer. Yes, definitely. Okay, so army, right? You ask extra food, the cookhouse auntie look at you, she say no. But RC4, you want more food, you just tap more credit. There's more than enough credits for you to use. And the food is much better. You have lots of options. You have Chinese, you have Chinese veg, Indian veg, noodles, Western, Malay, all every single day. So I think you have lots and lots of options. You can choose whatever you want. And we also have dessert sometimes.
Yeah, then like my husband's got red velvet cake, cheesecake, Oreo cheesecake, ice cream, others ice cream.
Yeah, others ice cream, that's my favorite.
I think DH breakfast is like the best for me because you have like croissants, then chocolate croissants, and then there's like different variety of like sandwiches. They have like very special one like Thai chili tofu sandwich. Yeah. So if you come ask me, you should try that. And they also have like this banana yogurt muffin, which is like super good.
Yeah, my favorite.
Yeah, that's the best breakfast option. Yeah.
Yes. RC4 Full of Phantoms. Okay, obviously there will be people who like to be in their room and do their work, which is actually our main purpose to come to university lah, to work hard. So no one judges you if you're a phantom or not, but yeah, there will definitely be a few phantoms here and there. But as I mentioned, like we're all very accommodating. Like even if you're a bit introverted or you spend most of the time in your room, you're always welcome for all these events, and like no one discriminates.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that's the best part of RC4. Yeah. Even if you want to focus on yourself, whenever you feel like taking a break, we're always there for you.
Yeah, I think like okay, that's quite true. So of course I'm an introvert, and I guess you can say I'm low-key like a phantom because I don't join like sports CCAs or like a lot of like house events. But for main ones, like I try to join. And even if like I don't turn up, and one day like for one of the small events I decide to show up, right, everyone is like still very welcoming. So it's like a very good culture because they don't discriminate. So like I feel staying in RC4, there's enough space for me to like be my own person and like give myself enough rest, but at the same time like have like friends or like people that I can hang out with who won't judge or discriminate. Yeah, so I think you can be a phantom if you want to lah. No one like discriminates. Yeah, correct.
Okay, so it looks like that's all the questions we have for today, and we hope to see you at RC4's open house.